Hello, first grade. It's Mr. Scotchless. Today is an exciting day in our Scratch coding. Today we will learn to create sounds. Sound fun? Keep watching. On my online learning page, click the word Scratch. Now click the link. When the page loads, make sure that you click See Inside. Now that Scratch is opened, you can see that I've already set up the scene for you. On the stage, you will see a drum set, a cymbal, a snare drum, a high top cymbal, and a guitar. Today, we will code so when you click on these instruments, they will make sounds. Let's get started. First, let's code for the drum set. Click the drum set down here in the sprite area. We're going to code for the drum set first. Let's go to the events. The event that I want is when this sprite is clicked. Do you see it? It's the third one down. 1, 2, 3. Click and hold and drag it out. It says when the sprite is clicked. What's going to happen? Well, let's add on to our code. Let's go to Looks. When the sprite is clicked, I want it to change costumes to make it look like it might be playing. Do you see Next Costume? There it is. Click and hold and pull it out and connect it to when the sprite is clicked. Let's click it to see what it does. Do you see the animation that it makes? Now we want it to make a sound. Let's go to Sounds. The very first sound block says play sound, low tom, until done. Click and hold and drag this block and connect it to our code. This now says when I click the sprite, it's going to change costumes and then it's going to play a sound, a low tom. Let's hear what it sounds like. Click the sprite. Do you hear it? Now let's code for other things that are on our scene. Let's click on the cymbal. It takes away the code so that we can write a new code for the cymbal. Do you remember where we started? Let's go to Events. The event that we want is when the sprite is clicked. It's the third one down. Click and hold and drag it out. Next, we want to change the costume. That's under Looks. Look for Next Costume. Make sure you connect it. Now let's go to Sounds. The very first sound says play sound, a rolling cymbal until done. Click and hold, drag it out. Let's play the sound, roll cymbal. Nice job. Now let's do the snare drum. Click on the snare drum. Let's do the same thing. Let's go to Events. When the sprite is clicked. Costumes is under Looks. find Next Costume, click and hold and drag it out. Finally, let's make the sound of the snare drum. Let's go to Sounds. The very first sound block says Play Sound, Sidekick Snare until done. Click and hold. Connect it. Let's play the snare drum sound. Good job. Go ahead and use the same code for the smaller cymbal and also the guitar. Remember, anytime when you click on them, it should make the sound. Remember, you'll have 2 weeks to finish this code. Good luck!